This is Michael from O'Connell Landscape, and just wanted to give an overview of a current project under construction where we're using some calstone quarry stone pavers, and just wanted to show an example of how these are installed in both color and pattern here. So this is calstone, they're a quarry stone line in Sequoia sandstone, and we've got some different patterns and layouts here. We've got a large patio here under a big deck here that was installed, and here as we look in the sun you can see we have a three-piece pattern here. So this has a 6x9 piece, this has a 9x12, and then there's also a 9x9, and this is installed in what they call an ashlar pattern, so a repeating interlocking pattern that then gives us our nice kind of randomized look there. So you can see kind of that nice effect. This Sequoia sandstone is a nice color in that it's got some nice subtle gradients in terms of some lighter grays, some darker grays. There's a little bit of brown and blue in there as well, so kind of a nice overall look. You can see in this particular scheme where we did some what they call a traditional brick running bond pattern for this side yard walkway here, and then we did something similar over here. As we walk underneath, you'll see the expanse of the patio there. And we can see that palletized material sitting there waiting to be installed, but a similar bond pattern here that runs on up to the front yard here. And we can see our approach to the front door there. This is all installed with, in this case, a metal edge restraint system, so we can see where that's locking those pavers into place with large ground nails. And then we can see walking through here. Now in this particular case, there's going to be a front auto court here in the front yard, and so here we've got a channel drain system that's going in, and the pavers are going to be installed up to and around that. So it gives a nice view of kind of the components of a paver installation in terms of the base rock that's prepped here. You can see that bedding sand that's down there, and then the edge restraints. So nice little overview of this project in Marin County.